All right, it is Sunday, February 14th. Going over some stocks. The market is closed tomorrow. So I'm on my laptop. So if the sound isn't good, this isn't the best quality, but trying to do some videos tonight. All right, so Eban, check this out. I think someone messaged me about this one. It started out at 4. Next 4 months, it really broke up nice to 11. Then it had this little drop off. Then it came back to 4. Look at that. See that hold? That's 1, 2. That's called a double bottom. Once you double bottom and hold, then it breaks up again, fills the gap, comes to 8. Then you have a trend line now. 1, 2. Will this break here? Comes back. The low's getting higher right here, about 450-ish. And then that's a nice green candle on Friday. Are we going to break through that? I think we will at this point. As long as the market stays strong. I think we can get up to 7 on this. Short term 7, 8, and then eventually test 11. You low, you have your support here, 5 and 4. But look at the volume down here. The volume in updates is very strong. You'd like to see that. So I like the way this is turning out on this one. Because you have a squeeze too. You have this move up, down, move up. It's running out of space from this low. This low is holding, so you're back and forth. Eventually it'll squeeze up on this. So yeah, this is looking pretty good here on Eban. On the 5-minute. It was a nice move Friday. Look at this from here, 575, nice dip buying. Held 675 throughout even the after hours. So that's a pretty solid move right there. That was a big volume bar right there in January. All right, so Eban looks pretty good. I like how it's squeezing motion, how it's going to squeeze up, it looks at this point. I lost my chart. TRVG, AIKI. This is Trivago. I think, what are they? Travel. This is the wash down right here, 350, bounced to 3, came all the way back to 150 back in April, May. Then this came up to near 3. Again, look at this one. Found pretty much, double bottom support right here near 150, just below. Then we came back up, and look at this big volume bar in that day. This was 127, January 27th. Look at this move all the way up. Didn't hold though, came back, but it held this 250 line. See the low getting higher, higher. And on these days, look at the volume came down, so consolidation until on Friday we had a big breakout. This went 3 all the way to 350 plus. Now sort of caught in between. It's filling the gap right here. If we get over 350, that fills the gap. And then your next move on this is probably up to that 5 range on this. And the thing you see here, look at stochastics 23. You always want to buy when it's low going up on the chart. So this is a great long. Draw your line right here. Yeah, this could break up easy. Squeeze out. And you had the test before. This tested up, didn't break right away, but this coming up just like this, I believe will happen. And you have really good volume in the updates. Look at the volume bars, really strong. So TRVG, big move on Friday. I think we can continue on this. All right, where am I at here? AIKI. My screen's all over the place here. All right, this is Caldeo Pharma. Yeah, this had the big move up back in March, April. Look at these wicks here. This really was volatile. Then it finally, crashed in April. Tried one more time, but it faded. See the volume, the candle bar on this? Not the candle bar, candlestick. The bar was full and it came way back down. Then this went to 1 and tested this 50. Look at this 50 hold. That's great support. Then went up to 75, 150, came back, went up again. Look at this. So each dip, lower volumes being bought right here. And then look at Friday, Thursday, Friday. This thing's been on fire. This thing is still going up. You're past your 150 point. Now, where are you going from here? 250. Just trying to see here, this gap here, 250 to probably 350, I would guess. And then maybe four is a resistance back here. And then you have 5 right here, right at that candlestick. So the volume and updates again strong. You have stochastics riding up. Your lows keep getting higher. And on this, if this comes back to 150, that's fine. You have a dip support. It could come here and come back up. On the weekly, yeah, the weekly, see this was oversold, down support in the middle, then we go up again. It's getting overbought, but it can stay overbought. You're just a little bit far away from your 1320 EMA, so it's not bad. Right there, that bar right there, right in that 5 line. So I say we could get to 5, maybe this week they run it. This is looking really good. Strong chart. And we're having these charts where the stock's going down, starts to build momentum, then it's like explode up. I mean, this has done that, but it's not a bearish candle yet. I mean, Tuesday could put in a candle like that, but we'll see. Right now it looks pretty strong. All right, so AIKI looking very good. Keep watching this, see if we can get to that 5 level. It's possible. All right, please subscribe to Mike Kima Trades, smash the like button, Stock Twits, Mike Kima Trades, Brilliant Instagram, Mike Frank 98, Twitter, Mike J Trades, and TikTok, Mike Frank II. All right, that's it for this video. Peace.